So why is this thing in pieces, you might ask? I took it apart to have some work done to the body. The luthier never got to it. He just kept the body for a couple of months and I had to go pick up the body. This guy, I wasted 3 hours of driving and a couple of months of this guitar being torn apart and tearing the guitar apart, breaking all the solder joints and everything. I just want to let you guys know as a public service, if you are in Florida, this guy here, his name's Pete Taylor, Shelly Guitars and Effects out of Orange City, Florida. I don't know if you can see that from the light glare. Avoid this guy at all costs. He's a flake. Trust me. People say he's the best luthier in Florida. You're better off mailing your guitar off somewhere else to have it worked on. Shelly Guitars and Effects in Orange City. Luthier Pete Taylor. He's the reason why this guitar is torn apart for no reason. So I'm a pretty good judge of character when I first start talking to somebody. And my first impression of this guy Pete Taylor was he was a total flake. Just the way he talked and responded to messages. So sometimes you just always got to go with your gut feeling, guys. And a lot of times when you ignore that, you pay for it. These are brand new strings. I didn't even play the thing. Not even put my finger. Well, that's the most it's been played. So we're just going to sit this aside. You sort of see how I put a guitar back together, I guess. Pretty self-explanatory. You know, a wiring diagram I drew out for this thing I don't have. So I'm going to be relying on some pictures I took of the control cavity. The hardest part of doing this stuff is the soldering and the rewiring. Let's put the pickups back in the body. So here are the pickups. I wrapped them in bubble wrap. Roswell humbuckers, this is what these look like underneath. HAFN for neck. Here is the HAFB for bridge. All right. Route the wiring through the holes. Let's go ahead and put these in. Pickups are in. Wirings ran through. Let's put the trim claw back on and run the ground to the cavity. And here are the pots and switches, kind of like as a contained unit here. I think it might be easier to solder this thing with it out instead of it being way down in that cavity. So let's put everything but this little switch back in the body and snug it up. Okay, this is what we're looking like here. We have neck pickup, claw ground, bridge pickup. This needs to go to the output jack, 5-way switch, volume pot, tone pot, coil split. Okay, this soldering is going to be super tedious and it's going to take me a while. So I'm just going to let the camera run. Put the coil split switch back in. I guess I need to do all these grounds. 1, 2. Okay, all grounds connected. I got 1 pickup wire. Yes. All right. See that? That's where the zip tie was, Sonny. Yeah. That's pretty clean. Huh? What you know about that, huh? Okay, put some more stuff on here. Tremolo posts. Neck bolts. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out of here. The Aqua is back. Take care. See ya.